Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the ultimate supercar experience. The 2025 Audi R8 is here, and it's more powerful, more advanced, and more breathtaking than ever. The heart of the 2025 Audi R8 is a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine, pushing out an insane 620 horsepower and 427 pound-feet of torque. Paired with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive and a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, this beast launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. A top speed of 205 miles per hour ensures that the R8 remains a true track weapon. With upgraded aerodynamics, adaptive suspension, and carbon ceramic brakes, every drive is an adrenaline rush. Step inside, and you're greeted by pure motorsport luxury. The 2025 R8 features Audi's virtual cockpit with a customizable 12.3-inch digital display. The minimalist driver-focused cockpit is wrapped in Alcantara and fine Nappa leather, giving it a premium yet aggressive feel. The intuitive MMI infotainment system, wireless smartphone connectivity, and Bang & Olufsen's sound system bring technology and entertainment to the next level. Every detail is designed to make you feel like a racer. The 2025 Audi R8 is expected to arrive in early 2025, marking the end of an era for the iconic 510 supercar. Pricing starts at around $160,000, with high-performance variants exceeding $200,000. For those seeking a thrilling, track-ready experience with everyday usability, the R8 remains the ultimate dream car. What do you think of the new Audi R8? Let us know in the comments, and stay tuned for more high-octane content.